Yo, what's up? This your girl Quee, and I got my baby with me.
Yeah,
Say
what's
hey,
up,
baby.
y'all? This my girl, Queen of North. My name Rah Rah North. A bit Rah Rah North. You finna go and do something for y'all. Player have it tight to go ahead and settle for a goddess. Can't be mad at me, you feel me? But she will love what I got, and I'ma go on her ride for her like she gonna ride for me. Let's keep it G. Brah.
We might have ups and downs all the time, but I'm still gonna be here to ride.
Yeah.
My baby boo, I will do
Anything.
for
For
you.
you.
Ooh, cause you are my baby.
You're my baby girl.
And I ride for you.
I ride for you.
No matter what you do.
Whatever you do.
Cause you are my baby.
You're my baby girl too.
I will go and ride for you.
I'm gonna ride for you too. Ride for you too, yeah.
Ride for you.
And ride for you too. Check it. I'ma ride for you too, yeah. I gotta keep it true like masterpiece. The y'all can see murder TRU, yeah. Everything here's gonna be well, man. You know how we do it, yeah. I gotta keep it swell, yeah. Every day is a struggle, but I gotta hustle and get my manpower, yeah. I use it from the muscle. Yeah, we got a snowplow getting this money, cause every day is a hustle. Yeah, this shit ain't funny. Yeah, you know what time it is. Yeah, we got a 9 to 5. Oh, we hustling, selling crack, cocaine to pay the bills and get things right. It's a struggle every day, but if you get it, I salute you. Get right. I love my baby girl, cause she always got that motivation to get that paper. It ain't no hesitation. You know what time it is. She rap for me and keep it drill. No other bitch did that, man. Fuck them tricks.
And you are my baby.
My baby girl too.
I will go and ride for you.
I'ma ride for you too. Ride for you too.
What you do.
No matter what you do.
We might fuss and fight,
Why?
but I'm still gonna ride for you.
Like I'ma ride for you
Cause
too.
you are my baby.
You my baby girl too.
And I really love you.
I really love you
And
too.
I will go and ride for you.
I'ma always ride for you. I'ma always ride for
I got
you.
your back, don't worry. Ain't no one gonna have your back like me.
Nobody,
Cause I love you.
Cause I love you too.
And I need you.
Yeah, I love it too, man. Yeah, I gotta keep it G. Was a game, big it still is. Certified G. Know what time it is, man. I'm not gonna tell you who I be, cause I gotta be discreet or code of silence, nigga. We gotta get right, keep it from wildin'. Everything is hard out here. We gotta survive. Fuck Donald Trump, fuck all politicians, cause they ain't doing shit for us. We gotta get it on our mission. We gotta get our money on our own, man. We gotta stay strong. But niggas keep that chrome, We gotta get right, man. And this line like the streets is a jungle, man, but it's just concrete. My baby girl gonna ride with me to the long way. That's how we do it, man. We play games, but guess what? We got time to do it because we getting paid, riding for each other so we can relax up in the shade.
There ain't nothing I can do. Whoa.
Yeah.
There ain't no mountain
None.
I wouldn't climb. There ain't no river I cannot swim.
Yeah.
You are my everything.
Yes, it is.
Oh,
Yeah. You're my baby girl. You're my baby girl. You're my baby girl. You're my baby girl. Yeah, you are my world. You are my world. She just my world. She just my world. No what time
and I
it is.
love you.
Yeah, I love
you. I love you.
Y'all see what I got? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? All them bitches who don't like her or hating on her, I got this for y'all here. Fuck y'all. But if y'all like it, though, know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Shoot, all respect to y'all, know what I'm saying? We just did this because I love her, you feel me? She did because she love me too. You know what I'm saying? So if anybody hate because we love one another, I got 2 of these for you. Other one holding this phone, but like, yeah, you feel me? That's how we do it. We love shooting these up. My girl can sing, but she can shoot one of these too, man.
I love you. Some little something.